Hey guys, we haven't had a chance to make an intro for the first 9 of a video that's going to show now. But today it's a beautiful day here at Silverby at the golf course. We actually played yesterday at Riversdale golf course. It was quite cold, but we enjoyed it a lot. And yeah, so enjoy the first 9 of this video and let's get golfing. Hey guys, we're here at the second tee now at Stilbaai Golf Course. You wouldn't believe it, the wind is crazy today. I didn't play a good shot at all. It just barely went over the bushes, but yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, you remember on the previous video I was also laying here for my birdie shot. Last time I was actually there or over there, but now I'm here. A little bit easier. Hopefully this one works out better. Hey guys, we just finished the 4th tee. We're going to the 5th one now. Made 2 pars in a row. Hopefully I can keep the pace. So yeah, stay tuned, enjoy. Hey guys, I just finished the 6th hole. Made actually a bogey, but one of my weaknesses today is my short game. My weight shots not good at all. My putting isn't that great, but hopefully it would carry on. Hey guys, I'm a little unfortunate today. Yeah, unfortunately I'm right-handed, so I can't play a draw around it. So you guys are going to witness this shot now.